In the last class, we studied about the introduction of this chapter. This is a chapter of class ninth, which is matter in our surrounding. And in the last video, we study about introduction of matter. So now the next topic is characteristics of matter. So what are the characteristics? And what is the meaning of characteristics? Characteristics are the like we can relate with us if I can say what is the characteristics of a human being. So our answer is human beings are has two legs and two hands, eyes, two ears. We all know explain the characteristics of us. Now like characteristics means the features of that features of that particular thing. So now the characteristics of matter, particles of matter. So we studied in the last video about the particles. Matter is made up of a small particles. So now we will study about the characteristics of particles of matter. Now characteristics first characteristics is particles of matter have space between them. That means all the particles of matter have space between them. We can say the wooden block have space between the particles, and a liquid material also have a space between the particles, and the gas, any gas have space between the particles. Now we can say how can we say that a solid particle have a space. Okay, now we let's take this question later on. Firstly, we study about this the space about the space between the particles of matter. So uh, if we dissolve the salt or sugar in the water, then water we can stir the salt or sugar in the water, and that mix in the water. Then if we observe the beaker in which we take the water and put some sugar or salt particles, then we observe the amount, or we observe the we can measure the amount of the water before adding the sugar or salt, or after adding the sugar and salt. If we observe that beaker, we can say that level is same, water level is same, no changes in the water level. How can I say this? I can say this: the particles have space between them, and due to this the sugar and salt particles mix between the particles. Okay, so it cannot take any other space. Like this is the water, and the sugar and or sugar or salt particles uh, fix between them or mix between them, mix हो जाएंगे. Next next property is particles of matter are continuously moving. So means like जितने भी particles हैं matter के, वो continuously move करते रहते हैं. Now we can say that this particle means this we suppose this is a wooden block, and the particles in the wooden block, suppose this is the wooden block, and wooden block and the particles in this are continuously moving. We can see in this picture like the all particles show in the moving position. These arrows show that these particles are in moving condition. So now the question is, we studied that the solid, suppose this is solid, and this is liquid. In this container, this is liquid. And suppose in this container, this is gas particle. This is gas. Now, solid particles, if we studied about solid particles, we say always that solid particles are very close to each other, very close to each other, no space between them. Like, and so liquid particles are somehow far away, and gas particles are more far away. So, continuously moving is possible in the solids. क्या solid में continuous moving possible होगी? So we can say yes. Yes, continuous moving is possible in the solid. Why? Because the particles in solid vibrate at its place. अपने place पर वो particles vibrate करते हैं. And liquid particles move uh, more than the solid particles, and gas particles move most moving particles among among three. Now we uh, we are saying that these are moving particles. The particles are continuously moving particles हैं. So I can say that moving particles possess kinetic energy. Possess kinetic energy. Any particle or anything that is in moving situation or moving condition, everything possesses kinetic energy. So everything that is in moving condition is possess kinetic energy. Next, particle of matter are in motion all the time, so they possess kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is energy due to the motion. जो भी एनर्जी मोशन की वजह से है वो काइनेटिक एनर्जी है. द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर इंटरमिक्स इन देयर ओन with their particles of matter. For example, salt in water, various gases in the air, and ink in water. Now, the topic is diffusion. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the process of mixing of particles together called the diffusion. Diffusion become faster on heating. Diffusion, we can say like when we add sugar in the water, this is water. वाटर में जब हम शुगर ऐड कर रहे हैं then we can say it mixes in the water. Sugar mix in the water. This is the process of diffusion. Now we can see a line in this definition of diffusion, that diffusion become faster on heating. So we can relate with the real life. When we studied about the saturated, non-saturated solution, unsaturated solution, saturated solutions. So at a particular time, a sugar don't mix in the water, it stops. But when we increase the temperature, the sugar dissolve in more amount. So diffusion become faster on heating, and kinetic energy on heating is increase. Kinetic energy also increase on heating. Next property or next characteristics of a matter is particles of matter attract each other. All the particles of matter attract each other. If they cannot attract each other, or there is no force of attraction between them, so there is no matter in the world. We can say that all the particles of our solid wooden block attract each other, and all the liquid particles, we can say liquid water, or we can say any juice or milk, these all particles attract each other but somehow lose attraction. And gas particles attract each other but less amount of attraction is present in the gas particle.